Nicholas.
Oh, no.
Get it. Can you get it out? All right. Put it in. Whoop. Touchdown! There isn't one on that side.
Oh.
It goes right here.
Touchdown!
Touchdown! Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Oh! Catch! Oh, you just hit me right in the face. Ouch, that hurt. Jerk. Ouch. Aha, denied. Oh, can you say hi? Say hi. Can you say hi, Aunt Dawn? Say hi, Dawn. Say hi, Dawn. Say Dawn. Say Dawn. Okay, I'll just say hi. Can you say Dawn? Hi, Dawn. Say hi, Dawn. Hi, Dawn.